customs like Singapore, Thailand, Japan, para sigurado kami hawig-hawig yan para yung inaasahan natin ma-deliver. Now, after a successful negotiation, including the price that will be charged to importers ang magbabayad. At this point, 350 pesos per transaction, ito transparent ako yan, 350 pesos per transaction yung initial offer ng PPP proponent. Siyempre, nakikipagtawaran kami ngayon, nasa 330 na per transaction. Meaning, kahit 100 containers in-import mo or 10 containers, 350 or 330 lang yung charge. Maganda-ganda na siya, but let's see, we're trying to bargain down, and then again, making sure that the capabilities will be there para sigurado. Pag successful yan, and then of course, i-event pa namin further, and then sasabit yan higher DOF, merong mga checks and balances.
Timeline, sir.
Last na sa akin, Com.
Teka, para lang ma-manage natin yung expectations. All things considered, all the processes considered, give or take middle of the year, meaning July, June-July, halimbawang successful ng lahat, magdi-design, ang next step doon, magdi-design yung nanalo, well, yung proponent. This is Swiss Challenge yan, ano, kasama na yun. After the Swiss Challenge, meaning another group will challenge the proponent, tatapatan niyan, pag hindi natapatan, mananalo yung nag-challenge. Pero pag natapatan niya ng challenge, siya pa rin yung proponent. Okay? Then i-design niya. Give or take 6 months to do the technical design na gagamitin ng BOC. So, towards November, December na yun. Pag natapos naman yun at perfected in technology, may pilot testing yun, first quarter of next year. Because we have 17 major ports and 39 sub-ports of 56 all-in-all ports na dapat ma-integrate. So, may pacing yun. So, sometime next year, mararamdaman yung changes using the CPS. Meanwhile, there are other modernization components that we are doing that can be achieved ahead of the CPS. Halimbawa, yung more modern X-ray machines, smart machines na may AI capabilities, o machines that are more capable to look into the containers. Hindi lang yung bakal, kasama yung organic materials, chemicals, illegal drugs. So, mga low-hanging fruits yun.
Com, ano na lang yung biggest worry ng BOC na risk sa
Sa
pag-attain
ganyan.
ng
Sana huwag magkaroon ng magdidemanda. Because alam mo naman sa Pilipinas, minsan pag may natatalo, magdidemanda eh. No matter how much we try, I assure the general public that this will be transparent. Walang kalokohan sa bidding, very transparent. Kaya lang, pag may nananalo, may natatalo, pag may natalo, usually nagdidemanda. So, minus that, yun lang ang aking worry talaga na makakaabal. Of course, we will legally fight that. Pero yun ang nakakabagal sa mga projects kahit matinag.
Okay, thank you for clarification.